In today's video I'll show you how to connect Zoom to Descript. We will start right here on the main Descript dashboard. To begin, I'll navigate to the top left corner of the screen and click on the drop-down arrow right next to my workspace name. From this menu, I'm going to select the Settings option. This opens up the Settings window on the General tab. To find our integrations, I'll go to the left-hand menu and click on Connected Apps. This page displays all the platforms you can integrate. Locate the Zoom section right here in the middle. Next, I'll go ahead and click on the Connect to Zoom button located on the right side. This will automatically open a new browser tab for the Zoom sign-in page. It might take a moment to load. I'm going to bypass the standard email login and choose to sign in with Google. I'll select my specific Google account from the list. Google will then prompt you to confirm that Zoom can access your basic profile information. I will click the blue Continue button to proceed. Now, Zoom needs to verify your age. I'll click into the text box and type in my birth year, which is 2002, and then hit the Continue button. This brings us to the account creation screen. I'll just click the Create Account button to move forward. Almost done. Descript will now ask for permission to access your Zoom cloud recordings and meeting details so it can import them properly. After reviewing the information, I will click the blue Allow button at the bottom. You will see a quick loading screen, and then you'll be redirected straight back into the Descript app. Looking back at the Connected Apps menu, you can now see the email address linked under Zoom. And that's it. That's how you connect Zoom to Descript.